Many bathroom faucets look great at first, but after some time they start to drip, lose their shine, or simply feel outdated. Choosing a faucet that combines style, durability, and smooth performance can make a big difference in your daily routine. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today we're taking a closer look at the Delta Nicoli widespread bathroom faucet 35749LF-CZ. This 3-hole widespread bathroom faucet is designed for modern vanity setups and comes with a sleek champagne bronze finish, durable brass construction, and a water-saving system. Let's break down its main features and see what it offers. Step 1. Design. One of the first things you'll notice about this faucet is its elegant design. The champagne bronze finish gives it a warm, brushed gold look that pairs nicely with both modern and transitional bathroom styles. The faucet features a gooseneck high-arc curved spout, which provides extra clearance and makes everyday tasks like washing hands or rinsing easier. Because it's a widespread design, the spout and the two handles are installed separately, creating a more spacious and premium look on your vanity. The body is made from solid brass, which is known for its durability and corrosion resistance. Delta's engineered finish is also designed to resist peeling, chipping, and discoloration, helping the faucet maintain its appearance over time. Step 2. Performance. Performance is another strong point of this faucet. It uses a ceramic valve cartridge that has been tested for at least 500,000 uses. This helps ensure smooth handle operation and reduces the chances of leaks or drips over time. The faucet also features a water-saving system with a maximum flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. This allows it to conserve water while still providing a steady and comfortable stream for everyday use. Another convenient feature is the push-pop drain assembly. Instead of using a traditional lift rod, you simply press the drain to open or close it. The drain can also be removed from the top of the sink, which makes it much easier to clean out hair or debris when needed. Step 3. Install. Installation is designed to be straightforward. This faucet fits most 3-hole widespread sink setups with spacing between 4 and 16 inches. The included Quick Connect hose system helps simplify the process. When the water lines connect correctly, they click into place, which helps ensure a secure connection and reduces the risk of leaks. Once the faucet and handles are secured to the sink and the water lines are connected, the system is ready to use. Overall, this faucet combines elegant design, reliable performance, and simple installation, making it a solid upgrade for many bathroom vanities. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next video.